Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday. How many of you guys are having tacos today? I think that this is the first time I'm actually making tacos on a Tuesday. Let me see if I can share this into my group. No. That's a guest request? No. I guess I can't share. Mr. Mass popular live video broadcast a moment as it happens. That's what I'm doing. Okay, never mind, can't share. So I just wanted to share you guys my taco recipe that I really love, and I was talking about it this weekend, and I was like, you know what? I'm making it this weekend. I'm sorry, this Tuesday, no matter what. I was complaining about the prices of ground beef. But I said, I'm just going in there and I'm just buying it. I'm not looking at the price. We're going to cancel that poor mentality, and we're just going to have tacos today because I've noticed that I kind of do look at prices, and it's a really good thing to be budget savvy. But there's sometimes, you know, when you want something, you just got to have it. So I'm making my ground beef. Let me flip you guys over here. And I wanted to show you guys my mix and chop in action. How many of you guys have the mix and chop? I was at a couple of vendor events this month. I'm sorry, in November. And people were raving about it. And it was like, it was hard for us to explain why you needed a mix and chop in your kitchen. Like, it just makes cooking your ground beef so much easier. I don't know how to explain it. It just has 5 nylon blades that are easy to use on all your pots. You don't worry about them being scratched if you're using metal. Because how many of us before, here. This is what I used to do with my bamboo spatula. I just used to be like this for like, I can't even tell you for how long I used to do that. And it was just this. And it was tiring on my hand. I didn't get all the chunks out. But with the mix and chop, it just finally mashes it up. And the good thing about the mix and chop is just that it's not just for ground beef. You can use it on chicken, doing a chunky potato salad, egg salad. I just had an egg salad sandwich this weekend. So look at, can you guys see how, lighting's a little poor, how finely chopped the ground beef is? So you just go in there and twist it. But if you do have some sort of arthritis in your hands, you can also go ahead and just stomp it on in there. So I've already let my ground beef cook. I am a little weird, I guess you want to say. I don't like the taste of meat, but I love these tacos. I love chicken enchiladas. A chicken salad. I just don't like the taste of meat. So I need to put some other stuff to kind of take that taste away. So I've let the ground beef, I don't know what you would call it, boil, cook with water for a while. And then after that, let it toast a little bit with the, I need to learn how to say these proper cooking terms. I really do. With its own grease. And then I took the grease out. I was going to show you a clever little trick I learned on TikTok, where you put some aluminum foil over your kitchen sink drain, and then you pour it in there and you let it the oil dry out. Then you just take it out and put it in the trash can. But I don't have aluminum oil. So, but that is a cute little trick to know. So you don't just put hot oil into your trash or never in your sink. Get aluminum foil, put it on your kitchen drain. You pour the oil in there, you let it set, and then you take the aluminum foil and you throw it out. So, my ground beef, I put a quarter of an onion, about 4 pieces of garlic, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm putting in a 15-ounce tomato sauce. And let me just grab the other one because it's just so much faster. And a 7-ounce El Pato sauce. This is to do a little spicy and a little kick. So I just pour it in there. Oh, come on. Why are you acting up today? The El Pato's acting up. There we go. So I just pour those cans in there. I've already put the salt and pepper in the meat as I was cooking the meat. Give it a good little toss. And then I learned this trick from one of my aunts and uncles. My uncle used to be a sous chef in Vegas. And for those of us who suffer from acid reflux, this is a little trick that they taught me when washing my hands. Washing my hands, guys, 1 second. Okay, so the little trick that they taught me was you do a little pinch of sugar. Just a little pinch. You don't really taste it. And that helps you for not to have acid reflux. And it works, guys. It works. I don't know the science behind it or the medical research behind it, but it helps. And then also to give it a little bit of flavor, I put a tablespoon of Nor Suiza. Bouillon? Hey, I was able to say it, bouillon. So just one spoonful. And that is it. And then just stir it on up. And then I'll let it cook. Like I said, guys, I don't like the taste of meat. So I will let it cook in here on very, very low for about half an hour. I'm sure you could probably only do it for 5 or 10 minutes. My mom does it for a lot less. I drive her a little batty because I leave it on the stove for so long. But I do it for about half an hour just to take some of the taste away for me. I cover it up, I steam it up, and that's it. That's how I do my tacos. Well, obviously, no, that's not it. I need to fry the tortillas later. For dinner, when my son gets here, that's when I'll fry up the tortillas so they'll be nice and warm tacos. But that's the meat that I do for my tacos. So what do you guys do for tacos? Do you guys do chicken tacos? How do you guys do your ground beef for your tacos? I know a lot of people do the taco seasoning. For me personally, there's something in the seasoning that I don't like. I haven't figured out what that seasoning is. But my sister, that's how my sister does it. She puts taco seasoning on it. Some people just do the ground beef by themselves and they don't put any sauces on it. So how do you guys like your tacos? How do you do your taco meat? Later on, I'm just going to put in a little bit of lettuce, some queso fresco, and a little bit of salsa. And it'll be tacos for dinner tonight. I guys hope you guys like the recipe. It was really quick and easy. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and shoot them down below. And I will see you on the next one. Have a very blessed rest of your day.